Hi, this is the HTC U11 Life and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. To create the new home screen folder, you should hold the application and drag the step to another one. If you want to give a name or rename the folder, just tap on the name and enter the new one. To move folders on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. If you want to remove application from the folder, hold and drag it to the home screen. You could also remove the application from the folder to the drag it to remove icon, but don't worry, you'll stay with this application in the apps menu. And also, if you want, you could also remove the folder with all of the applications. Just hold and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.